In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove a Google account from WhatsApp. We'll go through this slowly and clearly, so you can follow along on your own phone. Before we start, it's important to understand what Google account means in this context. On Android phones, your Google account is used for things like backups, including WhatsApp backups, as well as Gmail, Google Drive, and other services. When people say, remove Google account from WhatsApp, they usually mean they want to stop WhatsApp from using a particular Google account for backups, or they want to disconnect that account completely. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device and make sure you're on the main chat screen. From here, tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Then tap on Settings. In Settings, look for the option called Chats, and then tap on Chat Backup. This is where WhatsApp manages its connection to your Google Drive account. On the Chat Backup screen, you'll see details about your current backup, including the Google account that WhatsApp is using. To remove this Google account from WhatsApp, tap on the line that shows the connected account. A list of Google accounts saved on your device will appear. If you simply want to switch to a different Google account for backups, you can select another one from this list. But if your goal is to stop WhatsApp from using any Google account at all, you'll need to turn off backups. To do that, look for the Backup to Google Drive option and tap it. Change the setting to Never. By doing this, you're telling WhatsApp not to back up your chats and media to Google Drive anymore. Once this is set to Never, WhatsApp effectively stops using your Google account for backups. If you want to go a step further and remove the Google account from your phone entirely, go to your phone's main Settings app. Find the section called Accounts or Passwords and Accounts, then look for the Google entry. Select the Google account you want to remove and choose Remove Account. Keep in mind, this affects the whole device, not just WhatsApp. So only do this if you're sure you don't need that account on your phone for other apps. After these changes, go back into WhatsApp and confirm that no Google account is shown for backups, or that the backup setting is set to Never. And that's how you delete or remove a Google account from WhatsApp.